So guys, this is the duct detector. Okay, system sensor duct smoke detector, intelligent non-relay duct smoke detector. Okay, model number is DNRW. So watertight. So today I'll show you how to set this duct smoke detector. So let's go. So this is the duct smoke detector. First there have two parts. Okay, sampling tube, how to set the sampling tube, and exhausting tube. We have two. This one, this small one is the exhausting tube. Okay, and you see this one, this big one already there have